It'll start in a bit. Go ahead and hello.
Do you want me to
Just, yeah, do
do the notepad thing?
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
How are you doing? Can you all hear us okay?
Uh,
303?
Turnip Town. Foxes.
Hello, Windy First Son. How are you doing? Hello, Bruno.
Hi, Bruno.
Good to see you. Hello, Dreaming Gemini. How's it going tonight? A normal L, Easter. Thanks for showing up, everybody. So tonight, Morgan's typing in the description, so if people join later, we had some good feedback from some people who are watching who are like, I came in midway, I hadn't seen any of the other Turnip Town streams, so I had no idea what was going on. So yeah, he gave good feedback to be like, just put up a thing that says, what you're doing. Have you done any of the Turnip Town stuff? I don't think you have.
I have not. I've been watching your episodes, though.
Okay, cool.
So
I know you're a fan of foxes, and I know people were talking about giving the foxes weapons. So I thought that could be a fun thing to do, because I actually don't know how weapons work in the game. Like, I know how they work mechanically, like when they fight goblins, but from a code standpoint, like, I'm kind of up in the air. Like,
well, let's find out.
Yep. Okay. No.
Nope.
Hello, Antician. I'm bad with words. Pick of death.
Antician.
Yeah. So what we probably want to do is make sure we have Turnip Town installed. So first we'll want to open up a console, and we'll want to clone the actual repo.
Do we have it in here?
Yeah, so it's there, and then I usually go with 32-bit. That's what I built. Just because we can use Dakota, although I don't ever want to use Dakota on stream. Or really in general. Hello, Face Taste. So the mod is at github.com. It's in the radnet user, and it's starter mod Turnip Town. So if you just go to GitHub. So we'll go to... Oop, don't want to cover the chat. Okay, so Angelo, where's Turnip Town? Okay, so what we want to do, we should, okay, we'll see if we can actually like clone this. So let's see. So we'll want to go to mod. Oop. Do we actually have... I don't remember if we got rid of Turnip Town. No. Or it looks like he did, so... I don't know what the... Okay. So from here, we should be able to run this and see where we got to last. So...
we need to put it in as the main mod.
Yeah.
Does it just use that same name?
Star mod, yeah, underscore turnip. I think it's underscore town. Anormal L03 said they haven't seen the stream in a while. They have no idea what we're talking about. So I'm going to resize this real quick. We could probably try and do the Windows tiling stuff. Or not. It's up to you.
It's a risky thing.
So we've been working on a mod called Turnip Town, which we wanted to do kind of like a total conversion mod to both learn more about modding from kind of like a big scale. So the idea is we're making a tower defense game in Stonehearth. Last week we made a whole lot of foxes, and everybody seemed to really enjoy that. And we gave them one of the combat AI packs, so that when the goblins show up in the mod, in the tower defense game, that that the foxes will start attacking them. In fact, you'll see here. So go ahead and undeploy the... Oh, that's something we should figure out.
Is the...
So we haven't looked really into why this is the case, but you need to undeploy the workbench.
We need to undeploy the workbench?
Yep. That could be something we figure out, like why... Because we can go into the mod and take a look at how Angelo and I placed it there. We thought we added it to the player's inventory and like marked it as the player's, but for some reason when it's placed like that, when we start it up, the engineer can't have access to it. So go ahead and build a turnip shooter. We could also open the encounter editor and trigger the event, but I don't remember how to do that. Linda showed Angelo, and then Angelo did it last stream, so I don't remember how.
So it still looks like we have...
build some turnips, sorry.
Right. You got lots of farmers, turnips.
And we updated the growth cycle speed of the turnips so that they grow pretty quickly. Oh, click the book at the top right.
Are we trying to start the goblin encounter?
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. And then you, we can just leave it. Thanks, Mally. We'll do that after. We'll go through like one cycle of legit summoning these demon goblins.
Those some fast turnips. You could probably just add a bunch of turnip baskets to the stockpile.
Yeah, but we want to make people farm them. So you should be able to build it now, I think. Or is it already queued to be built?
It's all queued up. They need 10
They just need to
baskets.
actually set them there.
Yep. Oh, geez, I should have made a bigger field. It's my bad.
It's okay. So yeah, once they do this, it'll trigger the actual encounter for the goblins.
And I forget, last stream, did you guys add the combat AI to the foxes?
Yeah, we added one of the AI packs. I think we actually added a few. So there's a couple bugs because it's like probably looking for the combat animations and stuff like that. What we want to do, I think, is we'll want to figure out where we need to add weapons. Like what constitutes what makes it so that they could deal damage. Because you'll probably see in a bit.
Oh no, they're eating the turnips.
Uh-oh. Yeah, let's do... Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's go ahead. Oops, click the wrong thing. Okay, so we'll put this down, and then a bunch of goblins will show up.
Are they still demon goblins?
Yeah, they're still all crazy. Oh,
well,
but the
turnip shooter is highly effective.
Oh, maybe they're not all crazy anymore. Undeploy the turnip shooter. Let's check the Oh.
Nope.
Distance 2. Interesting. Okay.
Whoops.
So once the goblin gets close to these foxes, the foxes should attack them, unless Angelo... Well, we can check the... Do you want to open up the mod folder and let's see what the state of the foxes are?
Let's do it.
And we could always re-demonize the goblins if we want.
Is that... Where did those guys show up?
So, should be in the foxes? Should be
Yes.
in entities, I believe.
I only see crops.
Okay.
That might be why.
Okay, so where's the monster tuning? Okay.
Nope.
Maybe we just modified the foxes directly. So what we'll want to do, let's check this. Goblins turn down. Okay. So what we will, open up the like the Turnip Town server.
The Turnip Town server.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, what's the file that's like the actual, oh, probably this. Okay, sorry.
That makes sense.
So here, are we just placing, oh, okay. So we're placing actual Stonehearth red foxes. So what we could do is if we want to make our own fox, we would basically take the model that we have for the turn down goblin.
Mm-hmm.
So we would create a some data with critters probably, or I guess not. And we'd put like a fox file in there, and then we would specify what they have for our particular mod. Yeah, it looks like we turned these back down. I couldn't remember if we did or not. So we'll want to look at where. So do you want to, what would you think would be better, modifying the red foxes directly in the code, or do you think we should make like our own fox for the mod?
I think if we could make our own fox, that'd probably be better.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Plus, I don't know how to mod, so this will be good for me to learn.
Yeah. So basically, so we're kind of like, mixing these things in on top of the game.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll want to have a similar structure in like how the turn down goblin is. We actually took the thug goblin. So you could look up goblin thug or whatever it is and see how we took this. So can you open the, like where it's at in the file system? I have no idea how to do this on Sublime Text.
Neither do I.
Okay, so there.
There it is.
Stonehearth data, GM campaigns. Was it DM?
Data, yes.
Or was
Sorry,
it
I'm
GM?
blind. It was GM.
Oh.
Campaigns. Arcs somewhere in there?
But this,
I'm in the wrong thing.
Yeah,
aren't I?
you're in the Turnip Town mod, so you'll want to
it.
do it in the Stonehearth mod.
Ah. There we go. One of these
Goblin
guys.
War, probably?
Ambient threats,
Oh.
actually. Wow. That's a lot of nested. Gotta learn these.
Oh, so just
whoops.
the Goblin Thug JSON in there.
Yeah. Okay. Found him.
Okay, so now, so basically you can see we took like a lot of this, and then we applied it. Where is our turn down? Right next to it. We pretty much, this is encounter. Where did we get the actual? Some turn on. Okay, so this is the actual encounter. We're actually looking for the entity Goblin Thug. So where is it like in ours? In Turnip Town.
monster tuning directly under
Okay.
data. You want to?
Oops. Don't want to open that at all.
Oh no.
Yeah, let's see what's going on in the
Attention
game.
for 2 seconds. Oh no.
That's a good point in the game. So they killed all the foxes.
Oh no.
Okay, that's fine.
That's why we got to make them fight back.
Yeah. It's this, right? Stonehearth? Okay. Huh. Yes. So where... Am I just thinking of the wrong file? Like what? Okay, well, let's just take a look at the turn down. Okay, so Stonehearth data, mods, Stonehearth, data, monster tuning, goblins. Oh, thug. Oh,
okay.
Just thug. Weird. Okay. So, goblin thug. So, yeah, I was remembering it as the goblin thug, which is the file is the encounter, but it's referencing this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So, to get back on track, in trying to make a fox, basically what we want to do is kind of find where the red fox is. Mm-hmm. In this kind of structure, we'll want to copy the this into our mod folder structure, kind of similar to how it exists in Stonehearth. We'll put it into our manifest, and then we'll create it in the Turnip Town world.
Awesome. Okay.
Cool. So yeah, we could start looking for red fox, which I think is somewhere probably in here, and it's probably
critters.
like critters, I believe.
Was that in here?
I don't know. We could also search redfox.json and hopefully not get an encounter.
The
okay,
entities.
that looks right.
There we go.
So if you just hit enter.
Fortunately, we don't know the shortcut to open this up in an actually helpful way.
Okay, so it's if you just click on the tab, will it go to it?
Critters. Red fox.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to want to. Does that have the JSON in it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll want to copy pretty much this directory into our the Turnip Town mod. We'll want to create the same directory structure. So we'll want to go into our data directory, create entities, and then create a...
we already have entities. Excellent. And then create critters.
Yeah.
Okie doke. And then just... we're just going to copy this guy.
Yep. Red fox.
Can I do that from here? Let's find out.
Yeah. Should be able to. Can you just Control C?
Let's find out. Let's find out.
I don't like Sublime Text.
You're killing me.
I do you.
Teach me the way, Justin.
Well, should have done a rabbit. Couldn't you use a wolf? Couldn't you do the wolf instead of the fox? Well, we like the foxes.
They're so cute.
We'd still have to do kind of the same stuff we're doing right now. But yeah, we would at least get like the attack anim, whatever the wolf's weapon. We could actually look for that and then use like use whatever weapon that the wolf is using. Why can't? Where was the thing?
Our version, that's in Turnip Town. Are you looking for the actual one?
Starter mod, Turnip Town was move this over. Entity?
Yeah.
We can see where we are.
And then critters.
Now, where is this thing? So C Radiant, right? No?
Yes.
Oh, this
Stonehearth.
thing's tab completion is just really bad.
Oh no.
Stonehearth,
It's probably gonna use Stonehearth source.
right.
Stonehearth data?
Mm-hmm. Mods,
Stonehearth,
entities.
critters, Red Fox.
Okay.
Success.
Now we'll actually show up in here. Okay. So here, we can go ahead and change the name, do basically whatever you want. So if you have a cool fox name.
What? You mean I should just put it directly in here? It's bad form.
Yeah, no, not that. So I meant like how we did the turn down goblin, but like just basically rename the directory. I guess you probably can't do that in Sublime Text. I mean, you probably can. I just don't know the key for it, and there's no like menu for it. So
We'll live.
yeah. What's something we... Let's see. Sorry, my iron key is broken. You should do rabbits. Since they faster, they headbutt the goblins. That sounds like a rude rabbit. Okay, so now we will want to, let's see, go into the manifest, I believe. Just like right there. Down?
Yeah.
Right there. Up?
Yep.
Right there.
Thank you.
Okay. So, where is the, like, we'll set up an alias for,
The Red Fox?
yeah.
Do we use the same
We'll want to
naming
do,
convention, or?
no, we don't want Stonehearth. Because we're referencing the Red Fox, like, in our directory.
Oh, okay.
So it could really be whatever it is, or like you would probably want to keep it like our directory structure. So it would probably be critters, and then
Just
Red Fox,
Makes
since
sense.
we didn't think of a better name, but we can think of a better name later. And then you'll want to do the actual like file, and set it up to point to that file.
Okay.
Is it in data? I don't
Is it not?
remember. Is
no,
entities
it's a
in
separate
data?
thing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have to see if there's anything magic about the data directory. I don't remember there being, but let's see.
And then we go all the way to the JSON.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that should work. So go ahead and save this. Now let's open up the Turnip Town world, which is right above the manifest.
Yeah.
So here, change this to starter mod, Turnip Town.
Turnip _ town, right?
Yeah,
Critters.
yeah,
Okay.
that should work. So now let's see if we've messed anything up.
Everything should work exactly the same. Oh, geez. Wow. Okay.
Make run.
But we're
Oh,
too far.
yeah,
We're too
just
far in.
cd/c/radiant.
Stonehearth.
Stonehearth.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know why it takes so long to boot up these days.
Oh no.
Oh, animation not found. Animation table not found. That's peculiar. We copied the whole directory, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is there anything? Catalog. Oh, animation table. Oh, this looks relative. Do we want to... How did we do it with the goblin? That would be a good thing to look at. Does he... can you search for animation table?
Nothing.
Interesting. So... What do we want to do? So we can reference the actual path that it would be at. We could probably alias to it, or we could copy the actual the animation table, like that file it was saying. We could copy it into the directory in that structure. What would be the pros and cons of each of those? I think copying, like not referencing the animation table from your mod could be good from a perspective if you're expecting like to only use this certain class of animations, you know, the AI you want for your thing. So then like if we go about and we change the red fox in game to have a completely different animation table, then your mod doesn't break, I think.
That makes sense.
The upside of referencing, you know, whatever we do is then you would get like any changes downstream. But since you're, well, yeah. If you're assuming to use whatever, well, you could assume that if we're going to change the animation pack, we're probably going to change the AI, potentially change AI or something related to the fox. So you still would probably want your own version of it. I don't know. We could try putting the animation table in here and see how it works. Unless if anybody knows why that would be a bad idea. I'm mostly looking at Bruno or if like Max is on the stream, but
oh no.
Mally might know too. Oh yeah, I read that. Go ahead.
Sorry, what am I doing? I got distracted.
I think we want to...
We're just copying over the animation table?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do your console magic? Since we can't figure out how to copy things in Sublime.
Mally's making a bug. We're making bugs. Where was the fox? Here's the fox. This is ours. Render info animation too. I wonder what's setting the scale. But yeah, this is looking for data rigs, entity critters. Starmon, Turnip. And then data. Okay. So this is, I could just do ... but is, I hate the tab completion on this. Data, rigs, entities. Oh, it has the rabbit. Yeah, I think I remember Mally talking about that. Oh, it's fine. Okay, so we are in data. We want rigs, entities, critters, rabbit. Yeah, we could do that. I was thinking we would, Bruno's saying we should just replace the actual link file with the one in Stonehearth. I was thinking from a good practices standpoint, we would want our own copy. So if the animation table changes upstream, it doesn't break our mod. I don't foresee that happening, so this is kind of like...
maybe an unnecessary precaution.
Yeah, but it might be good practices. I don't actually know if it is good practices. That's just kind of like what I hypothesized. So, did I have this right? I think so. Oh, no. Damn it. I think I just deleted.
Deleted what?
Oh, no, I didn't. Rigs, entities, critters.
anormal03 asks when we started working in mods and in foxes specifically.
Last stream.
Foxes were added in last stream. When did you guys start on Turnip Town?
It was, I think this is our 5th stream of it, but Angelo and I tend to stream back to back. And I think we stream every other month, so it's been like, you know.
A while.
a little bit. Okay, let's see if we have actually anything in here. Okay, so we have like animations, conversation effects, postures, rabbit. Looks kind of cool, I guess. Don't want to actually make the game. Okay, let's see if we've actually fixed this. Probably not, since it's not loading up. Oh!
Great.
Okay, there they go. Okay, so we have our own foxes. We can mess with them. We can play around. Why don't we try doing something stupid with them?
That sounds like a good idea.
So go ahead and just modify something you think would be funny in here.
Oh, man. Oh, it doesn't look like the stuff like how fast they can move.
Oh, interesting. Oh, it probably comes from Critter, yeah.
Oh, no.
So we would need to make a... Let's just take a look at Critter and see. We could try... they have entity radius. They have... Yeah, malnourished threshold.
Yeah, I really want some blink foxes, but...
Yeah.
I don't see where it's coming from.
Yeah, I'm guessing critters.
Okay. Well, couldn't we just add this to our red fox then, since it's a mix into critter?
Mm-hmm.
Not overwrite this?
I'm sorry, what did you say? Oh, actually add in these attributes, yeah.
Great, so we don't have to copy critter and have our own version of that. And
we shouldn't.
Okay.
I make no guarantees. But yeah, so we would add components, attributes, and then we'd override it with whatever our stuff is.
So just give me this.
Mob collision type tiny, we could change that.
What would changing that do?
I have no idea. I just like the idea of them having a very large collision box.
Okay. Oh, so they already have
components. So yeah, you could just do it in there
just
and
give me the attributes then. Our red fox. Just toss this in. Great. Okay. Let's just crank this up, like, let's just crank that up.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, gorilla space.
This is a great idea. And it's going to work flawlessly.
It's probably going to break. Or not work at all. Oh, yeah, they
move so fast that they just kind of, yep.
Yeah. I think that there is some, like, max speed, because if I remember right, that's basically... They don't seem to be teleporting quite like the goblins did, but they do have
their
this...
wander distance might be smaller, right?
Yeah, they do have this, like, periodic kind of, like, hopping thing that they do.
Did I trigger the goblins? Okay, here they come. So the foxes are running away from the goblins right now.
Yeah, so we haven't done... I believe Angelo took out the AI pack because it was buggy enough that he didn't want people downloading the mod and then it just breaking immediately. They're all facing the same way. Yeah, so I wonder if they're... I wonder what would be causing that. It probably has something to do with the critter animation or the rabbit animation to like move. It probably like that does the orientating, although I'm not positive of that. And now, I mean, this is me like not knowing what I'm talking about. But maybe they're moving so fast that they just like don't need to turn. They're already there. Mm-hmm. And so then they just keep the... Yeah, let's try actually running. Make a run. Yeah, the goblins were also attacking, which played their, attack animation.
Yeah, so they're turning now.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, that's interesting. That'd be worth looking into why that's happening. Let's see. A guy named Zach says, learning Python, 10th grade, totally in love, going to make it their career. What's the benefit of having your own engine? And how do you think the repeal of net neutrality will affect the tech industry? So we probably don't have enough time to go into two. We could go into one pretty easily. So what do you think the benefit of like having your own engine versus doing something like a Unity or an Unreal or a proprietary any other engine is?
I think I would say the ability to specialize. Since you know what it is you want, you can build whatever systems you need to accomplish that like more efficiently than something off the shelf might do.
Yeah, and that's like, so I've done a lot of stuff on like Unity and stuff like that where I've hit the bottom of like the stack. Like I was doing some networking stuff and I was like, I need to know how this works. And I wasn't able to because I don't have access to the source and it's all behind their stuff. So having your own engine is good because you can really configure it. The downside to having your own engine is you're often solving problems that have already been solved. Like Stephanie's saying, don't write your own engine. I would say don't write your own engine if you want to make games. But yeah, absolutely write your own engine, like if you want to write an engine. And that's an actual fun thing. But don't think like, I want to make a game, I'm going to make the perfect engine for it. Like if you want to make games, just make games.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah. Net neutrality. Yeah. It's grim days.
Anyway, cute foxes. Let's make them kill goblins. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. I'm actually going to take a look at wolf.
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea.
I want to see. I know that they can fight things. Okay, so they got equipment here.
Yeah. So Yeah, I would actually just copy that equipment.
Just gonna take that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wolf Rider abilities.
Fox Rider. Shoot, was that in components? I think it was. Probably.
Yeah.
I should have paid closer attention.
And, we might have, is that duplicate or just unmatched? Okay. So, yeah, get rid of that.
I think.
Adam
If it
Corey
doesn't
20.
work, we'll double check.
We need a better way of.
There you go.
Here, let's make it so it's potentially. Okay. So, yeah, we are working on a tower defense mod, and we kind of got away from the core of the actual mod, and we're just messing around with making foxes into monsters. Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so we've potentially given them weapons. Maybe. I guess we could probably run it and then inspect
just see what
them and
happens.
See if it would show up.
Yeah. Diamonds. Which one is it's this one. Yeah, I like, it's the one I never click.
No, that's yeah. So click on it again so it turns white.
Okay, trigger.
Or, yeah, just trigger it. There they are. Okay.
Come on, goblins.
They're coming.
Come on.
That's a lot of goblins. Oh no.
Go, guys.
So they won't fight yet because we haven't given them the combat AI pack.
Oh, right. Oh, forgot to do that. Okay, well, let's do that.
But what I was going to was see. Oh no.
Oh, see if they actually have the.
I'm not sure if we would see it in here. Or not.
Do we not have equipment?
I kind of want to. Okay, I'm gonna make a wolf.
Okay.
Give me a wolf.
Stamp it down.
Got him.
They have equipment.
Okay.
So maybe we did it wrong. Did we add this to our fox? Maybe. Oh, we did.
I did.
Okay.
I was very careful to close the other fox because I knew I would
Do
accidentally.
we remember to
change that
save this?
I did. Pretty sure it's in the right place.
Oh.
But
Attributes, equipment, Stonehearth weapon. Like, it doesn't need.
where does the equipment component get added? Oh, there's a lot of stuff here.
I mean, it should be in this. Like, this should be adding it to the actual entity.
Okay.
And we have this in the right tab. Yeah. Yeah. All under components. What are we doing wrong?
Well, how about we try adding the combat AI pack for now, and then once that breaks, we can come back to this.
Okay, that sounds good.
Cool. Shoot. Where are we going to have to do that?
You could. Oh, right. Yeah, this is why Angelo removed this type of stuff from our mod, because we ended up doing this directly.
Okay.
So we would probably. Let's just go ahead and add it in here. Not best practices, but saves us from adding 2 more files to our mod structure right now. So I would look up anything that has a combat. I think it's.
No, AI pack. We need like a combat AI pack.
Yeah. We need both the combat to add the combat AI pack, and we need to add them, I believe, to a task group.
Where would we find an example of a combat AI pack?
You could, yeah. Bruno Soprino pointed out, check the wolf. Let's open the...
Might be in Wolf Rider abilities.
Oh. Yeah.
No.
Huh. Oh. No. Yeah,
that's
none of
That's
those.
specifically for the raid.
Yeah.
When in doubt, just like... Wow, this is getting really laggy. Give me the apex. Okay, combat. Got it.
And then I think we'll need to add add them to some task group. We ran into this last time, but we can go ahead and just run it.
Oh shoot, I'm in the wrong place, aren't I?
So what was the subgroup that was?
We need to add them to a combat task group.
Will you go back to the previous file that you were copying? I just can't
Right.
remember the sub. Okay. So it's under AI packs. So it's under packs.
Okay, and is that in here or
Where is that?
where?
Oh, this is an actual...
Oh, this is in an AFI in a pack right now. Oops.
Yeah. Go to critter.json. Look for that like AI pack.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
My bad.
So we could look at whatever AI pack the wolf has and then add it to this.
Good idea. Let's do that. Would it actually be on the wolf?
Or no, because
wait,
it's
no.
yeah.
There. Okay.
Okay. There we go. So yeah, put that into the fox.
Give the fox or give the critter.
Sure. Yeah. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and run it and see what the actual error is. It'll give us some error saying it needs to be added to a task group. So then we'll go into the critter task groups. We'll put in whatever group that pops up here.
Huh. Okay. This one.
Okay, so we'll want to add that
no.
to
Task groups solo.
the critter task groups.
And that actually was the AI pack, yes.
Yeah. Oh, Bruno's saying maybe add the upgrade equipment too, as in the the equipment AI pack.
Yeah. Sorry, just need to remind
No
myself
problem.
what that is. Combat unit control. And the upgrade equipment 2. That was, I saw that in here, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy. Okay.
Okay. Popping out some gobos.
Goblins.
I goblin.
You goblin.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Okay, so some new error. Go away.
Good, good.
Go away.
Probably because they don't actually have a combat idle animation.
That's okay.
But
why then aren't they fighting? They... Oh, are they?
oh wait,
No, that's
no,
a Hearthling.
That's a Hearthling.
Let's see.
Oh wait, hang on. Go to Critter AI packs.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay. Panic Flee. Gonna get rid of. Or wait, do monsters have that as well? Frickin'. Okay.
Yeah, we could get rid of that. Just see.
Don't run away.
But it is probably the...
It might be present in everything though. Or maybe not.
Mally says he doesn't think it'll work if they don't have the animation. I thought last stream, and maybe Angelo and I were just completely misinterpreting like what was going on screen, but it looked like as the goblins came in, the foxes would turn and they would like move towards the goblins, and then it would give an error being like, oh, they don't have...
Yeah, I remember that. It would show them like engaged in combat and idle, flickering back and forth, right?
Yeah, but maybe now because they have the weapon... Combat one hand idle. So
but our AI is tied to our animations, right?
Yeah, unfortunately. Mally says we can redirect their animation with an effect. Let's see. We have about 5 minutes left.
You can also duplicate all of their animations.
That's what I was thinking, is just copy the wolf one. Or yeah, we could do that too. I was thinking of copying the wolf one and making them just explode or like whatever. Have the rig just do something horrible. But yeah, we could copy, like you said. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, yeah, but it's not as fun as like
Mally wants
exploding
us to.
Foxes. Oh no.
Mally's,
don't do that. Okay.
Break is...
Well, if they have completely different bones, would it even...
Do they have completely different bones?
I don't know.
I don't think they do.
Mally.
Mally claims your idea works, so let's do it.
Okay.
I want to do something more monstrous.
We did duplicate the rigs.
Yep.
So, okay.
Animations?
Okay.
So copy...
I want to grab... Eat, maybe? Because they kind of do that little lunging thing.
Yeah.
Wow. That's what it looks like. Oh, no. Okay, do this. Give me. Where is it?
There's copy.
Give me.
And pasta.
And it was combat...
Oops, sorry.
Sorry. 1 hour idle. 1 each. Oh, the goblins are
probably
going
one hand.
Rampage.
Probably
not 1 hour. That wouldn't make sense.
Or maybe, who knows? So probably well, I don't completely know, but I wonder if they'll then like get if we're just on animation creation train or file renaming
now you don't
train.
Have
Yeah.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we got 3 minutes. We'll see.
Yeah.
Death foxes go. Oh no. Wait, hang on. I just gave you one.
Invalid file path. Oh, where is it looking? Okay.
In starter mod Turnip Town.
Is that 1H or is that an L?
Oh, I'm covering the thing. My bad. This here?
Yeah.
I think it's an H. Pretty sure that's an H.
Before it. Is that a 1 or an I?
I think it's a 1.
And that's what we have?
It might be L.
Left hand?
No, that's not an L, because this is an L.
Okay.
It looks different. I'm getting really close to that camera. Our fonts.
Yeah. Well. And this is in the right... Oh.
Did I put it in the wrong place?
Let's rerun it.
Okay.
Yeah, Bruno says one hand.
Thanks, Bruno. Not 1 hour.
Fox turns to wolf and then back to fox. Could try that. It's not a bad idea.
That'd be cool. We should have people turn into chickens when they run away.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. Oh, it's not an animation.
It's in effects.
Okay.
Try doing that.
Gimme. Off screen, we're just going into File Explorer and like pasting things. It's really not that exciting.
There's E. So we probably want to copy that E.
Oh, because it might be different.
Yeah.
Okay. Gimme. Let me duplicate you. Okay.
Idle. Yep.
And there's probably going to be an attack animation that we're going to have to do.
Yeah.
Because this is just combat idle.
Yep.
Anyway. Oi.
Oh,
Did I mess something up?
just copy effects. Copy from where, Mally?
Oh. It's a really slow animation.
Maybe they're really slow to battle. That's just their style. He said use run. Mally's gonna come over.
Mally.
Speed
Sorry,
all the way
Mally.
up.
So I think they're still just running away.
Yeah, let's remove the flee from their combat. Critter?
Hello.
Hi, Mally.
Hello!
How you doing?
Can I help you?
Sure.
So you're trying to copy an effect. Are you in the effects folder?
Yeah.
Yes. Over here.
Okay. Where combat 1H idle? Can you open that? Does it say like run or something? Or eat?
Eat.
You should do run. Eat is a terrible animation for
Okay.
what you're doing. Assume you have a run effect?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so that should work.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's
great.
give it a try. We removed flee,
3
right?
people streams from now on.
Yeah.
You want to pull up a chair, Mally? There's a lot of chairs.
Where are these crazy chairs?
I think they
know.
came from. I think there was a thing that one of the other teams had.
I feel like I'm on a race car.
That's the XR racer. I'm racing the
So
Call
they're
of
gonna-
Duty, Mom.
Are they gonna run or are they gonna attack?
Oh wait, hang on, they're doing something.
They're attacking. Is the goblin
Engaged in
dying?
combat.
Not
no.
yet.
I don't think so.
Okay, so
They're trying. Look at them.
It's amazing. Why are they not moving towards him?
that's a good
Oh,
question. I
no.
wonder if they're.
They're not. It's amazing. And they're all looking at him.
Well, okay, so
They're just glaring menacingly.
yeah. Well,
This
I think
is
we made
beautiful.
progress.
We're
We just have to
the
figure
same
out how to
place.
get them to apply damage. I was hoping
Ugh.
that the wolf bite would get them to do that.
It
Yeah.
should.
It should, but the goblin, he's a hardy fellow.
No,
Uh,
taking damage.
No, yeah,
Oh,
he's
no,
at 100
shoot.
of 100.
Good luck.
Get them, guys. Get them.
Yeah, they're just
Okay.
like standing far away. Huh.
I want to take a look at. Is there like an attack action, like attack adjacent, melee
Yeah.
attack adjacent? Is there an animation of some sort? Get combat actions,
I don't know.
combat melee attacks. Because if we haven't given them a melee attack, it's possible that they're not able
Yeah.
to actually do the attacking.
Huh. Yeah, okay, we could take a look at that.
But-
Yeah.
Next time.
Yeah. Well, we made progress today. We gave them weapons. We got them to actually animate an attack. We started cleaning up we did less hard coding in Stonehearth. We did a little bit towards the end so that we could actually make progress, but
Because we wanted to see this.
yeah, foxes can do remote punching. Well,
Oh,
cool.
no. Our earthlings are in danger.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I think that's it.
Cool.
So yeah, next time we will probably try and progress and make the foxes do damage, and then they probably won't even end up being, or maybe they'll be like a special unit like you can get later in Turnip Town. But yeah, thanks for streaming.
thanks for having me.
All right.
Thanks for watching stream.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we'll see you all later. Have a nice night. I never remember how to stop this.
We don't know how to stop the stream. This is like when you say bye to someone and it turns out you're walking the same direction.
Yeah. Oh, I thought.
You know,
Wait.
you know we're still streaming, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.